definitely 100% on everything.
I'll be proud of you.
Hi, and I'm Tiffany, and we just got off doing the game. It was really cool. It was like a video game. We got to clean a cavity on a virtual TV and just see how it would feel on an actual tooth with an actual handpiece.
I'm doing a class on restoration, and my favorite thing about today was getting to work one-on-one on my personal statement and having feedback from dental students, and I thought that was really helpful because I'm applying right now.
So what I really liked about today's it was that when we did the composite, when we were center composite, I always looked at shadow of my dentist, and I always wondered like one day how I'm gonna do it. Today I was able to do it as like a dream come true.
One of my favorite parts about today was the mock interviews, because going into it I was really nervous, but I learned that it's basically a conversation and to be as natural and just be yourself.
Oh gosh, it's kind of hard to choose what was my favorite thing because everything was great, but I really enjoyed being in the sim lab. Like, I didn't actually expect us to work on class ones and like all these things that I'd been seeing my dentist do. It's like, I can't believe I get to tell them I get to do it. I got to do it.
Roof of the tooth as a valley that goes.
Wow, how sick is that?
Thank you guys to all the pre-dents that came out today and for supporting WesternU Pre-Dental Day. We hope all the information was super valuable. We hope to see you guys here in the future. Good luck with your applications.
Yes, good luck. I hope you guys had a lot of fun because we all had a lot of fun. Just good luck on your applications, and we'll see you guys.
Yeah, we hope to see you guys here.
Yeah.
And peace.
Peace out, guys. Good luck.